Windows 10 features an excellent built-in backup system. You can back up your OS and settings and restore them at your convenience. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step. And stay with us until the end, as we have a bonus tip for changing the administrator name on your Windows. So let's get started. Start by clicking on the Windows search bar and typing Control Panel. Then, select System and Security, and click on Backup and Restore. On the left-hand side, click Create a System Image, and choose the disk where you'd like to store the backup. Ensure that your external drive is connected. If it's not detected automatically, select it from the drop-down menu, and click Next. You'll see a list of remaining disks and partitions available for backup. If desired, select them by clicking the checkboxes next to each one, and click Next. Review your disk selections, then click Start Backup to begin the process. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Once finished, Windows will suggest creating a system repair point. This is a proactive measure in case Windows encounters critical errors or fails to start properly. Choosing No won't affect your original backup. Should you need to restore the backup, you'll need to boot your PC from a Windows 10 installation disk or a bootable USB drive. To create a bootable USB drive, visit the Microsoft Software download page by entering this URL. Look for the Windows 10 installation media, and download it. Run the tool after downloading, and follow the provided instructions. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. The tool will guide you through the process until completion. Now, let's move on to restoring the backup. Insert the USB drive into your computer and restart it. Press the designated boot key on your keyboard before your PC displays the startup screen. This key might vary depending on your PC's manufacturer, but it's commonly F12, F11, or F2. Once you've pressed the correct key, your computer will enter the BIOS settings interface. Navigate using your keyboard, and find options related to the boot order. Prioritize the USB drive over the internal hard drive. The Windows 10 installer will initiate. Configure language, time, currency, and keyboard layout settings, then click Next. Select Repair your computer at the bottom of the window, followed by Troubleshoot. Click on the System Image Recovery tool and choose Windows 10 as the target operating system. Now, plug in your USB containing the backup files. It will be automatically detected. Click Next to proceed. A screen will display all available backups, select the one you want, and click Next. You can choose additional restore options by checking relevant boxes, and click Next again. Review the settings on the final confirmation screen, and select Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes, and wait for the restore to complete. Your system will boot into Windows 10, just as you had backed it up. And to thank you for staying with us until the end, here's a bonus tip on changing the administrator name in Windows. Start by clicking on the Windows search bar, and typing Computer Management. On the left-hand side, click Local Users and Groups, and double-click Users. Right-click on the administrator account, and the rename option will appear. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to explore our full playlist of Windows tutorials.